difficult to set up all of these steps you're mentioning? Should you bring in an agency partner? Can you do it internally? Do you really need a strategy for it? Talk to me about that.
I think the determined business owner could probably go about this on their own, but it's going to take them a really long time and a lot of learning to do. HubSpot, like we said, is very user friendly, and they have a really great set of documentation out there. So you could probably get the bare bones by yourself. Really, where you're going to start to see the value add from involving a partner is going to be in, closing that full loop, like Andy was just talking about, helping you to optimize each of the steps along that way, and just really shorten the time span to getting that final goal of closed loop marketing in place.